Hello everyone, I'm back and today I'm making pretzel nuggets. Oh yeah. Now, what I did was put most of the ingredients in the bowl already because the part where most people on YouTube explain step by step and show every ingredient and how to make the meal is boring to me, and it would make the video a lot longer. And I'm quadrupling the recipe, so I couldn't afford it to make be long. But what you're looking, but if you must know, here is the recipe. Now in red is the recipe for pretzels and pretzel nuggets doubled, and here is it for quadrupled. What you see in the bowl is 10 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 4 teaspoons of sugar, and I'm gonna put in the 9 teaspoons of yeast. Now, that's 1, 2, 8, 9. Woohoo, I don't need this anymore. Yeah. Okay, and now what I need is 4 cups of really warm water. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, it's warming up. Perfect. Anyway, as you can see the teaspoon things down there, I'll put you on pause. Alright, so we have 2 cups so far, and since this thing takes 5 minutes to mix, I'm going to set the timer and put the water in while it's going on. No, I want 5 minutes. And start. Hey, wait a minute. Is this thing plugged in? It is not! I'm sure I didn't afford to lose that phone charger for a while. Alright, let me just set the timer again. There we go, alright. Let's put the water in now. Alright, that's 1 cup. That's 2 cups. Oh, alright. Let's just let this mix now. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that, but that's our final process, and it takes 30 minutes to rise, so let you see that. Alright, time's up. Oh my. That's a lot of dough. Okay, I got the dough, and now I'm gonna play with this evener thing. If only I had the infinity gauntlet, then I could perfectly even out this thing. Okay, so I don't know how many pieces to cut this in, so I will be back with you when I decide. Alright, I'm back with you. I don't know how many these are, but to make pretzel nuggets, you need to roll them out to a long snake. I made so much. I hate doing math in some kind of like this. I will be back with you. Okay, I know I just slipped out on a whole bunch, but basically what I did was I rolled the dough pieces up into long sticks, and then I cut them into these pretzel nuggets. And I put salt on them, and then I preheated the oven to 500 for both ovens. Now I'm gonna stick them in the oven for 8 minutes. Oh my, that's a lot of smoke. Have fun, buddies. Where's the timer? Huh? And that is how you make pretzels. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to make pretzel nuggies, and don't forget to tie your shoe. I also forgot to mention that after they come out of the oven, I'm going to butter them, and I forgot to mention that I put baking soda and really warm water, half a cup of really warm water in a pie tin, and dip the pretzels in that bread. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to tie your shoe.